Good morning, children. You are welcome in my class. Today, my topic will be puberty. Then, what is puberty? Puberty is a time in life of a boy or a girl becomes sexually mature. The time period, the age at which any girl or a boy becomes sexually mature, that period on which any girl or any boy becomes sexually mature is known as puberty. Puberty is the time at which any girl or any boy becomes mature. Now, what are the stages of puberty? The stages of puberty are known as tenor, and tenor stages are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After the tenor stage of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, there is acne. Acne means pimples on the face. You will see when the girl or boy becomes mature, there is acne on their faces and body odor, and there is a particular smell of the girl or a boy when they will or he or she will become adult. Then there would be a particular odor from their body. And what are the symptoms? How will you identify whether a boy or a girl is maturing or not? Then there are some symptoms for a girl and for a boy. Then for a girl, there is development of their breast starts period. Menstrual cycle is known as period. Menstrual cycle generally starts in a girl at the age of 11 or 12, and it lasts up to the age of 45. Then what is menstrual cycle? Menstrual cycle is the cyclic discharge of blood, mucus and egg from the uterus of a girl through the vagina at an interval of 28 days. During the reproductive period of a girl starts at the age of menarche. What is menarche? Menarche is the onset of first menstrual cycle. When first menstrual cycle, first period starts of a girl, that first stage of menstrual cycle is known as menarche. Then menarche and the last means the end of menstrual cycle is known as menopause. And the period from menarche to menopause is known as reproductive period. Means during this age, a girl has capacity to give birth of a child or a baby. Then white vaginal discharge as well as development of muscle on the thigh, back, and there is pubic hair. You will see the pubic hairs of a girl during their reproductive period, means when they will mature, then these are the symptoms: development of breast starting period, white vaginal discharge, develop muscles on the thigh, back, and there would be the pubic hair in the body of a girl. Now, what are the symptoms of boys? Generally, we will see that the voice of the boys will be deeper. Voice will be deeper when the boy will attain their puberty. And facial hair, there will be mustache as well as beard on the face of a boy. And there will be pubic hair also. Pubic hair will be seen of a boy also when he will attain the puberty. And growth of penis as well as attraction towards the opposite sex. It will be seen in both girl and the boy that there would be the attraction towards the opposite sex. I mean to say boy to girl and girl to boy. Now, my dear children, it was the topic for today, puberty. I will give you some question on my topic which you will do in your copy. Thank you.